News making the headlines. Body found with feet bound in St. Elizabeth. A 17-year-old student was gunned down in Rima. West Kingston police name person of interest in elderly woman's murder. The police are probing the murder of a man whose body was found with the feet bound in Mount Osborne near Leeds on the Santa Cruz to Malvern Main Road on Friday. According to the police, about 5:30 a.m., the body was seen with the feet and neck bound on the main road. The body was removed to the morgue and investigations are ongoing. A 17-year-old student was shot dead by gunmen in the area known as Top Scheme in Wilton Gardens, more popularly known as Rima, Kingston 12 last night. He has been identified as Jamor Mackenzie from Racecourse Lane in Denham Town in the parish. Police have since named a man known as Price Wright as a person of interest in connection with the killing. Police said about 9:15 p.m., residents of Top Scheme heard gunshots. Mackenzie was later found on the side of the road suffering from gunshot wounds. He was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Kingston Western Police have named a person of interest in connection with Friday night's killing of an elderly woman in the division. 65-year-old Barbara Walters, a resident of Slip Pen Road, Kingston, was shot as she stood at her gate. The police have named a man known as Hard as a person of interest in connection with the killing. The police stated that they are asking Hard to turn himself in by 6 p.m. Sunday, February 12. It was reported that around 10:15 p.m., residents heard gunshots and later found the now deceased lying on the ground at her gate suffering from gunshot wound. She was rushed to the nearby Kingston Public Hospital where she was pronounced dead.